So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, then click on search. This is search button, then enter the model number of motherboard H610H SS2H2 and just click to hit enter. Then click on the product, then this is click on the name of the title of the motherboard. Then click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 11 11. So both installations process. So first download one by one and after that I show you the installations. Okay, so Realtek audio driver first, chipset. So first serial, this is for drivers for the chipset. Scroll down, install inside. LAN driver, Realtek driver, real graphic driver. Just click to download. So all download one by one. After that I show you how to install. When you click to download, just start downloading. Wait few seconds to complete, then I show you. So you have to find the locations where it is downloading. So click on this folder. After that you directly come this download folder where it is downloading the driver. So let first complete that, I'll show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first First open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next, now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back, then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish, next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.